This is us coming back together because no retreats this year, but we thought we can surprise you with some amazing recipes. We have a lot. Let us know if there's any things that you would like to know of, like for instance more about fermentation, how can you make healthy raw food which is still a little bit warm so you feel more nourished, which kind of things are great for the immune system to boost going into the winter. If you have any problem with menopause, there's lots of kind of natural foods that help the hormone system to become more balanced.
Oh, it's just be nice to see you. We're going to try and do some live cooking preparation, and there'll also be some recorded videos as well. And it's just a way of us kind of still getting out to you guys over there.
So just give us a bit of feedback maybe on what you're interested in as well, because we're kind of creating this for you guys as well. So if you've got any specific things that you'd like to learn more of, then yeah, let us know. Okay.
Good.
Look forward to seeing you soon.
Bye.
Enjoy your lunch now.
I'm hungry.